Hi everyone. Today we will see how to take backup from customized website WordPress. Okay. Backup two types of already we knows. One is manual backup, another is automatic backup. So we are today showing that automatic backup, not manual. Automatic. If we need to take automatic backup from WordPress website, we need to install a plugins. This plugin name is all-in-one WP migration. Okay. Already I have show here this plugin all-in-one migration. This plugin help to provide your necessary backup plan from here. You can see details about from here, details, review, installation, development, and another thing what you can need to learn more about this program. Okay, about these plugins. So I have already downloaded this plugin before, and you can install it from WordPress website, but both are same word. Okay, so we are moving to WordPress dashboard, and I click to plugin here, add new plugins, type here all in one, and click to enter button, and you can see this application all in one WP migration backup. Both are see. You can click here for more details about that. Same. I have already downloaded this plugin. Download button. Okay. Already started download, and after some already download completed. Okay. So we are take it from my downloaded folder and moving to our WordPress dashboard site. And if you download any plugins, to need to upload from this plugin your computer. So you're clicking to upload plugins, source file, WP1 migration. Okay, open it from here and hit to install button. Installing this file, already showing a message plugin installed successfully. Okay, and now we need to click activated this plugin. Click to active plugin button. Already activated. Where see it activated. Okay. And menu button show here all in one WP migration. Okay. All in migration, if we go here cursor move here, we can see four options: export, import, backups, and settings. We need to export. I mean that if you collect from this backup file from your website in future backup, it will be helpful to you. Or you can change hosting, one hosting to another hosting, one cPanel to another cPanel, etc., etc. For this, cause you can take backup it for your future strong. So we are click to export button here and export to file. Already preparing our desired file. This method you help to that database and WordPress file both are downloaded in a same file in a same folder. Okay, no need to take another backup individually. I mean that WordPress file or WordPress database file need to take backup individually. All in download in the same file. So you are hassle free. This kind of method you can follow it. Okay, we are waiting to until finish this download it. already you can see downloaded message completed and pop-up downloaded and my show my domain name. Okay, if I click to download this file will download automatically in my PC and another file will available archive. Okay, so we are clicking here to green button downloading. Already start download. My internet speed is very slow, so need to 12-minute time around to download it properly. And we are closing this pop-up and move to all-in-one and click to backup. You can see already a backup file available in WordPress site 43 minutes ago. It means that if you miss or if you destroy this downloaded file who is downloading now, another backup will be available in your archive inside your WordPress. It will very helpful to us for future any change, any shifting, any migration, or your website backup, or any types of cybersecurity attack. You can upload it from here and get a new website. Okay, already downloaded complete. I need to sometimes to download this file in my PC. So we cannot take longer this video. Already we have understand how to take download, uh, how to take backup and download this file. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I would request to that please subscribe my YouTube channel and like and comment here. If need any issues or if you feel any problem, please comment my uh, description box or sorry, please comment my comment box. I will help you through remote desktop or another thing. Thank you for watching this video and again request to you please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.